TECNO is launching the camera-centric Camon 20 series later this month in Kenya. There are 4 main devices in this lineup, and they include the Camon 20 Premier, Camon 20 Pro 5G, Camon 20 Pro, and the base Camon 20. All of them have AMOLED screens. We have 120Hz refresh rate for Premier and Pro only. They come running Android 13 and iOS 13. We expect 8GB of RAM and 8GB virtual RAM across the board. Storage options start at 28GB and 56GB. All phones have 5000 mAh batteries and support 33W fast Type-C charging. All of them have 32 megapixel selfie camera, which is a good thing. The back cameras are different. The Premier has a 108 megapixel main. It also has 13 megapixel ultra wide and a 2 megapixel macro. The rest of the lineup has 64 megapixel primary, 2 megapixel depth camera, and 2 megapixel macro sensor. Dimensity 1300 processor powers the Camon 20 Premier and the 20 Pro 5G. The Camon 20 Pro and the base Camon 20 have Helio G99 and Helio G85 processors respectively. Aside from the side-mounted fingerprint reader on the Camon 20, the rest have under-display fingerprint sensor. For colors, we expect Serenity Blue, Pre-Dawn Black, and Glacier Glow. These are beautiful colors, and the Camon 20 series has already won the Muse Design Awards 2023. More details will be on techwiz.com.